Read reviews that most people are talking about QflFdetall wireless earbuds. The features we would like to recommend are as follows. Stable and low delay Bluetooth 5.3 wireless earbuds. The Bluetooth 5.3 chip helps your wireless earbuds be matched more easily and faster. Earbuds wireless Bluetooth earbuds signal is much stronger and more stable. There is almost no delay in the gaming/watching videos. Pictures and Bluetooth headset sound are synchronized. Take you much better using experience. One-step pairing and touch control. Simply take the Bluetooth headphones out of the charging case and they will automatically connect to your phone, by touching the wireless earbuds to answer the phone and hang up the phone. Music play/pause, music up and down, volume up/down, for iOS system, or access to other functions. The operation is very simple and convenient. Crystal and clear calls and immersive stereo. The Bluetooth earbuds have strong 12mm speakers driving units and in-ear acoustic structure support, which produces a strong bass, clear mid-sound, and bright treble. The unique acoustic design of the cavity room, balanced internal and external air pressure, avoids sound loss, ensure stable sound and penetrating power. Even in a noisy environment can provide clear voice detection. You can enjoy your personal space whether you are indoors, outdoor, work or exercise. 32 hours playtime and quick charge. The wireless earbuds provide up to 5 hours of listening or talking time, while the portable charging case can extend it to 32 hours. The rapid charge fully charges the charging case in 32 minutes. Charging is safer and provides reliable battery life protection. IPX7 waterproof and compatible for a variety of devices. The wireless earbuds are IPX7 waterproof, perfect to enjoy your playlist without worrying about sweat, water, or moisture. Bringing you the true wireless experience when you use the iOS or Android smartphones, PC, tablets, laptops, TV. Also, nothing is more important than workout always with music. With the better functions and the exquisite design, our Bluetooth headphones are your better choice for a gift. Bluetooth function link. Easily pair and remove the earphones from the wireless headphone case, and they will automatically appear in the Bluetooth settings of the phone. Match with just one click, very convenient and fast. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.